Today, you'll see how pistachios are harvested, transported, processed inside this factory, and packed before they reach you.
Pistachios aren't picked by hand. Entire trees are shaken to harvest them fast. Once harvested, pistachios are rushed straight to processing facilities. Inside the factory, pistachios are cleaned, sorted, roasted, and prepared in different ways. This is how pistachios go from the orchard to your hands.
This is how pistachios are harvested, by shaking the entire tree. At this scale, pistachios cannot be picked by hand. The nuts fall directly into catch frames. Never touching the ground. Built-in systems collect pistachios cleanly and quickly. This process happens across massive pistachio orchards. These trees are grown specifically for mechanical harvesting. Once harvested, pistachios must move fast to avoid spoilage. Fresh pistachios are transported straight to processing facilities. This is where pistachios are transformed inside the factory. Processing starts the moment they arrive. Fresh pistachios enter the factory at high speed. The first step is removing the soft outer hull. The hull comes off in just a few seconds. Removed hulls are separated and discarded immediately. The nuts are quickly washed to remove remaining residue. Excess water is removed right away. Drying starts immediately after washing. Moisture is removed in a very short time. After drying, pistachios become stable. Next, pistachios are sorted by quality. High-speed cameras inspect every pistachio. Defective nuts are removed in milliseconds. Only clean, healthy pistachios move forward. Naturally opened shells are separated from closed ones. Closed shell pistachios are handled separately. Open shell pistachios move toward consumer products. Pistachios are graded by size. Human checks add a final layer of quality control. Now the pistachios are ready for roasting. Next comes roasting and flavoring. Roasting happens inside large rotating drums. Pistachios are dry roasted without oil. Roast levels are carefully monitored. After roasting, products split into different lines. Salt is applied evenly while the shells are warm. Unsalted pistachios skip the seasoning step. Cooling stops the roasting process. Once cooled, flavor and texture are locked in. Quality checks continue after roasting. Now the pistachios are ready to be packaged. Pistachios move into automated packaging lines. Retail bags are filled automatically. Unsalted pistachios are packaged separately. Bulk pistachios are packed for commercial use. Each package is sealed for freshness. Labels and dates are added automatically. Final checks ensure consistent quality. One harvest becomes multiple finished products. Products are packed into cartons and palletized. Now the pistachios are ready to ship. Finished pistachios are stored in controlled conditions. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored. Different products are stored separately. Inventory is tracked in real time. Pallets are staged for shipment. Trucks arrive ready for transport. Products are loaded carefully and securely. Each shipment is inspected before departure. Pistachios head out for delivery. That's how pistachios are grown, processed, and delivered.
If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.